What's up, YouTube? I'm back cleaning bathroom porcelain tile and grout. I already laid down the Dragon Citrus with my battery sprayer, and I'm just overall cleaning the whole tile with my Ulrich Orbiter with the blue brush driver, cleaning the tile and the grout line together. I do not have to scrub the grout line independently because this thing does a great job. Now when it comes to the tile along the walls and the corners, that's when I bring out the grout brush, as you'll see later in the video, and I get to scrubbing towards near the baseboards and the corners mostly. If you haven't already noticed, I like to use Dragon Citrus a lot because it dries completely dry. I do not have to spray another neutral chemical in order to have a dry result. This dries dry by itself. It doesn't attract any soil when it's dry. It doesn't dry sticky like the back of a sticker like a lot of other cleaners out there. And don't get me wrong, those other cleaners are real good too. For example, Viper Venom, that's really good too. But if you don't neutralize it after you're done scrubbing with it, it dries hazy. It dries real sticky. It's mainly that's for super trashed restaurants. This Dragon Citrus here, it's really good. You could use it even in restaurants most of the time, on residential all the time. It's becoming my go-to now. Get the job done every time. It does have peroxide, so it leaves the grout lines pristine. Okay, so this is the part I was telling you about earlier in the video. Yeah, I'm pointing out the areas in which I like to hit the tile and grout brush. There's a telescopic pole I got from Home Depot. I believe it's 6 feet. Could be wrong. It's the smallest one. It's amazing. But you stick it in there, you work it in, because you don't want to come out. You don't want the towel to come out with two different hues. So I like to get in behind the toilet. I scrub it out, the whole towel face and the grout line to the hard to reach areas the older cannot reach. Just wanted to quickly demonstrate to you the areas in which I scrub in this direction here, grout lines along the wall, that side, this side, all the grout lines along the whole sides of the wall, just to make sure you agitate comes off all one tone, one hue. You don't want darker hues in which areas you missed. You can get behind the toilet, the sides, and that's all there is to it. It's really, really easy. There's the Dragon Citrus I utilized, and once the towel was dry, it did seal it with Dynachem sealer. Works every time. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.